How you doing?
Good.
Headed to the Nomad bar?
Is that what he said?
That's what this says.
Oh, shit, okay.
Is that right?
If that's what he said, sure.
All right. Oh, are we waiting for him or?
Yeah, he's going,
he's
going to the bathroom.
Oh.
That's what you call foreshadowing.
Yeah, he's going,
gotcha.
to the bathroom.
And for the record, an untrained eye may not understand the dynamic of the situation that's about to unfold. But the dude that just got in my car, the foreshadower, he's going to be the hero of the story. If it wasn't for him, it could have ended up extra crappy. Yes, that pun was most certainly intended. Simple pleasantries are being exchanged here, nothing relevant, and everything is looking all fine and dandy until Mike gets in.
Here he comes.
There you go.
His name's actually Omedio. His sex name is Mike.
I hope they
What?
don't play.
But it's Omedio.
I hope they don't have cameras.
For me, a little bit of kindness goes a long way. So because the first dude was cool, I don't say anything when this jackass hits me on the shoulder getting in. You guys tell me, is that normal that it drives me absolutely insane when someone I don't know touches me? Especially from the seat behind me? I'm not your buddy, bro. But again, I let it slide. And that's when this ride took a stinky turn.
I hope they don't have cameras.
Yeah.
That place.
Oh, yeah.
Headed to North Orange Street?
Nomad.
Nomad bar?
Nomad.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh,
Wellington,
did you bring
right?
that shit in your car?
Holy
Holy shit!
Oh, did I bring
Oh,
it here?
you brought it in this car. You
I get out?
stinky motherfucker.
Did,
Holy
did you shit in your pants?
Yeah.
Are you smelling that?
Yeah, I mean,
It's
I mean,
him.
that's
That's
not
not me.
me.
It's him.
no, I understand that, but
I didn't fart in the car.
I know, that's what I'm afraid of. I'm afraid it's on your pants or something.
Are you afraid it's on my pants? You want to smell my fucking leg?
Yo, get that off here.
Look, he slapped me on the shoulder when he got in. He smelled like a dirty diaper.
Oh, you
Get out.
stinky mother.
And the source of that smell might be oozing onto my seat as we speak. And now he disrespects me like that? I wanted to kick the shit out of him, but it smelled like it was already all out of him anyway. So as calmly as I possibly could, I asked him to leave.
Yo,
Alright.
get your foot down. Yo, check this out.
Okay.
Get your foot off there.
All right. We'll
Guess
get
what?
Call Uber.
Guess what?
We'll get out.
Yeah, you can pop out. All right.
You never know how people might act when you ask them to leave your Uber, and that's why White Shirt is the hero of this situation. Things could have gone much differently if he decided to blindly support his friend.
All right, we'll get out.
Take care, guys.
So we're getting out.
We gotta get another
We're
Uber.
going to Nomad.
No, we gotta get
Yep.
another Uber. He doesn't want to sit here.
Yeah, sorry, man.
Come on.
You think I shit my pants?
No, he just wants.
You want to check?
I would rather not. You were putting your foot up here.
Don't
you
do
can
it.
just pop out. I appreciate you, sir. Thank you very
no
much.
problem, man.